Welcome to the Blind Android Users channel. This is your source for everything Android tutorials and demos, all from a blindness perspective. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. In our fifth installment of the Battle for the OCR packages, I will now be demonstrating SullivanPlus. There's now actually a SullivanPlus Lite for phones that don't have enough memory and all of that. But I have the full SullivanPlus. And I will now demonstrate SullivanPlus. I am using the same text that I have used with the other OCR packages.
SullivanPlus. Pixel Launcher. Capture button.
I will now describe the layout of SullivanPlus. When you open up SullivanPlus, toward the bottom of the phone we have items going from left to right. I will now show you what those items are. First, we've got
Menu screen button.
There's the menu screen. To the right of that,
Capture button. Capture with the volume keys.
to the right of that,
Function screen button.
function screen. Those are the three tabs that you have at the bottom. Let's now start with the menu and see what we have in the menu.
Menu screen button. Menu screen. Eye mode button selected.
When you open up the menu screen, there are a lot of items here. The first one is the AI mode, which means that's by default, when you launch this app, you are in the AI mode. In other words, when you point at an object and tap on the capture, it will tell you what the object is. If you point on the text and tap on the capture, it will start reading that text for you. Let's see what comes after AI mode. We got
Text recognition button.
this text recognition,
Face recognition button. Face
Face-
recognition.
face recognition,
Image description button. Image description. Fast text scan button. Fast text scan.
that's a quick one.
Document recognition button. Document recognition.
There's a document recognition,
Color recognition button. Color recognition. Light button. Light.
light,
Magnifier button. Magnifier.
magnifier,
Note button. Note.
note,
PDF reader button. PDF reader. Community button. Community.
community.
Help button.
After help, we've got,
Setting button.
and last but not the least, we have something called snail.
Snail button.
And what that is like a newsreader. Let's go into the settings.
Setting button. Setting. Prep page button.
When you tap on settings, here are the items that we find.
Voice guidance setting. Heading 1 of 17. Enlist 17 items. Voice guidance. The recognition results will be informed through voice. Switch on. Sound effect guide. It will inform you through the sound effect while the recognition procedure is in process. Switch on. Mode setting. Heading 1 of 17. Basic recognition mode. Eye mode. Button 5 of 17. Basic recognition mode.
So this is where you can go in and set which one becomes the default when you open up the app. As it is right now, we have the AI mode. But if I tap in here,
Basic recognition mode. Eye mode. Radio button. Checked. 1/4. 1 of 4. Enlist 4 items.
so right now we have the AI mode as a default, and that's a radio button that is checked. Let's go next.
Text recognition. Radio button. Not checked. 2/4. 2 of 4. Face recognition. Radio button. Not checked. 3/4. 3 of 4. Image description. Radio button. Not checked. 4/4. 4 of 4. Image description.
So if there's one that you use the most, you can choose that. However, if you leave it at the AI mode, it will describe whatever it is that you point the camera at. I will now go back.
Setting. Basic recognition mode. Eye mode. Button. 5 of 17. Enlist 17 items.
Let's keep going.
Menu setting. Heading 1 of 17. Menu setting.
Under menu headings,
Add/delete mode. You can set the modes that will be displayed in the menu screen. Button 7 of 17.
so here
Add/delete mode.
you could go in here and add items to the screen or remove items from the screen. Let's keep going.
Alarm setting, heading, 1 of 17. Alarm setting. Text recognition guide. Would you like to be informed by voice? Switch on. Text, face recognition guide. Light guide. Would you like to be informed by beep sound? Switch off. Document recognition guide. Would you like to... Other settings, heading, lowering screen brightness. It will allow you to save battery usage. Switch on. Message time setting. Display message for 3 seconds. Button, 15 of 17. Accessibility. Would you like to set up accessibility? Button, 16 of 17. Accessibility.
If you tap on here, what you'll be doing is that it'll take you to the accessibility settings where you could choose to invoke this thing with the volume keys. That's what this is all about.
TTS engine. Would you like to set up a TTS engine? Button, 17 of 17. TTS engine.
Of course, you can go in here and change the TTS engine that you would like to use it with. Let's go back. That was the menu. Let's see the next item.
Capture button. Capture with the volume keys.
The next one is the capture.
Function screen button.
The function screen. Let's take a look.
Function screen. Video call button.
There's a video call.
Flash on button.
Flash on. Tap this to turn on the flash.
Gallery button. Gallery.
Gallery. You can go into your gallery here.
Save note button. Save note.
Notes that you have saved.
Share button. Share.
Share. You can go in here and find things that you could share, or after you capture something, you could share it.
Show tags button. Show tags.
And show tags. Let's go back now and get to do
Capture.
something. Since we are in AI mode, which means I could point it to a text, tap on the capture, and have it read. That's what I will do right now.
Capture button. Capture with the volume keys. Hello everyone and thank you so much for joining you as we continue with the must-have apps. Wecom OCR packages happens to be the category for discuss who's going to be crowned king. Stay tuned as we put these apps to the test.
That was the AI mode. Basically, this is the default. If I were to point it at something else, I'll point it at my computer and tap on the capture.
Capture, but it seems like a screenshot of a computer.
There we go. So it tells me it looks like a screenshot of the computer. Let's now go and try the document mode.
Menu screen button. Menu screen.
So I went back to the menu screen and I will now pick the document mode.
Lite button. Fast text document recognition button. Document recognition. Capture button. Capture button. Capture with the volume keys.
Now that I'm in document mode, I will now tap the capture.
No document was detected. Capture button. Currently enlarged to 250%. Slide bar 50%. Capture. No document was detected. Function screen button.
Let's try it again.
Capture button. Capture with no document was detected. No document was detected. No document was detected. Currently enlarged to 250%. Slide bar 50%. Currently enlarged to 230%. Currently enlarged currently enlarged to 100%. Currently enlarged to 100%. Slide bar 0%.
You want to slide this down because if you don't, you're too close to it and the font's going to be blown out and you wouldn't be able to capture something. So I am turning down the zooming to 0. And then we can try to capture.
Capture. No document was detected. No document was detected.
So I don't know what it is, but I have done all I can. I have been unable to capture a document in a document mode. The sad reality, however, is that this happens to be one of those that does handwritten recognition besides the Envision. And that will be SullivanPlus. It is free. Thanks for listening to another clip from the Blind Android Users channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you're notified of every new material that we upload. Thanks again for listening to the Blind Android Users channel.